this video, I'm going to show you the tutorial on how to install VMware Workstation 17 Pro. These are the steps for installation. First, go to the browser and search for VMware Workstation 17 Pro. Second, download VMware Workstation 17 Pro from the official website. After you finish the download, open the file and proceed to setup. VMware Workstation 17 Pro. Then click this from the official website. Then click this Workstation 17 Pro for Windows. Click the download now. Then let's wait for the downloading process. While we're waiting, I'm going to discuss the advanced features of VMware Workstation 17 Pro. These are the advanced features of VMware Workstation 17 Pro. New full or fast encryption, support WDDM12 and auto start virtual machine, new guest operating system support, and new virtual trusted platform module 2.0. Then tapos na yung download, then open na natin. Click yes. Click next. Then click I accept the terms and in the license agreement. Then next lang, then click next. Then click the install. Wait lang natin saglit to install the VMware. Just wait guys for a few minutes. Then click natin yung finish. Click natin yung VMware Workstation Pro. Then that's it. The VMware Workstation 17 Pro, and these are and I will discuss the pros and cons of VMware Workstation Pro. These are the pros. Works on Linux, great customer support, easy to use interface, extremely affordable. And the cons is lack of reliability, need handling skills, and low performance. That's all. Thank you.